Welcome guys to my another English video about tools. Today we are gonna take a look at Parkside rotary tool or micro drill. This tool category is often called Dremel, as the name of the company that invented it. I bought this rotary tool in this kit for just around 15 euros. For this price you get quite neat complete set of almost anything you would need to use. You will then find out which bits you need and buy them in larger amount. So this is like demo version, but it comes really handy. One thing though is that putting the tool in here is pretty tricky and I don't do that. And now, two bad things you need to fix before using the tool and one fail that unfortunately can't be fixed. Absolute madness, I would call use of Type-C connector used for USB-C devices that always has 12.6 volts on it. No, the charger nor the tool don't support any fast charge protocols. These 12 volts are there just all the time. So if you accidentally connect other device to it, you can damage charging circuit and break your device. Moreover, the tool must be charged from this particular charger only. If you lose the charger, good luck. And no, you can't use fast charge trigger because this charger also has constant current function implemented. So you would need to make CCCV charger with 12.6 volts and approximately 1 ampere, just and only for this device. Another bad thing that can fortunately be fixed is vibrations. The shaft has huge play that affects quality of your work quite heavily. But you can order and mount a solution. Bearing. You need to look for 7 times 14 times 5 millimeter sealed bearing. Why sealed? Because dust tends to get in there. So it is good to have something to protect the bearing. You then disassemble the tool, unscrew all the screws, unscrew your chuck and put bearing on the shaft. There is place for it in the plastic mold. And in my case, the bearing could be put on at ambient temperature. If you can't do that, let the drill itself chill in a freezer, but not the bearing, the drill. Third thing that's good to fix is vice chuck. Using these vice adapters with this nut will soon drive you crazy. It is made of Chinesium and lasts accordingly. Unfortunately, this thread is not standard metric, but 9/32 of an inch, so you need to look for chuck for a Dremel 4486. After I invested these approx 3 euros, I finally got really useful cordless drill with great functionality. So I ordered some more bits. Let me show you. These are cut-off wheels or cutting discs, thinner ones, thicker ones, and reinforced ones. The glass fiber reinforcement is there so your disc doesn't break so easily. These ordinary ones are therefore quite dangerous. If you bend or twist them while the machine is running, they will break and explode, shooting shrapnels all over your place. These are shafts for carrying the cutting discs and these grinding discs. They are great for metal grinding. Wire brushes. Brass version is softer, while inox version is harder. I also do not recommend using brushes for inox or aluminum grinding if they were previously used for steel. The surface is then likely to catch rust from residues. Precision drill bits come handy quite often, as you would guess. What I can't live without are these milling bits. Great for all plastics and also wood. Different shapes, different sizes. And the last thing is sandpapers. I've got two different sandpapers. These cylindrical are for when you need to sand a surface or an edge. They are to be put on this rubber and the bolt is to be tightened. Second type of sandpaper is this, with adhesive at the bottom, and it is to be glued on this rubber carrier. I don't use them that often though. Safety should be the first and main thing you keep in mind. Fortunately, this device can't really kill you, so you just need to protect your eyes. Every abrasive bit will shoot material in direction of rotation. This can be avoided by having your tool in your right hand, so it shoots away from you. But there are two things that always require goggles: cutting discs that can break and wire brushes that can lose one or more wires while revving at high RPM. Conclusion: this tool is quite bad out of the box. Its vibrations and Chinesium vice chuck render it rather unusable. But by investing approximately €3, you can fix all that and have a great tool for your DIY projects. Personally, I use it like once or twice a week, and it is one of the most publicly underrated tools I have ever seen. It comes very handy for small projects. So, if you liked my review, and if you want me to continue recording English reviews and tests, let me know in the comments. Goodbye and see you next time.